Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a MyFitnessPal account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your MyFitnessPal application. Once you've done that, let's just go ahead and wait for the loading screen. Now once it has simply finished loading up, simply go ahead and tap on sign up for free, and this is where you can simply tap on continue and then enter your first name right over here. Click on next, and then you can simply go ahead and choose what your goal is. So I'm going to simply go ahead and tap on gain muscle. Click on next. Click on next again. As you can see, it's gonna simply go ahead and ask you which healthy habits are most important to you. I'm gonna say work out more, track nutrients, stuff like that, prioritize sleep, drink more water. Click on next again. How often do you plan your meals in advance? Occasionally. Click on next. Simply answer all these questions. Do you want us to help us build a weekly meal plan? Open to trying. Lightly active, male. Write your age as well, write your country as well right over here. So let me just go ahead and select that real quick and click on next. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and give them your height. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in mine and give them your weight as well. Now simply go ahead and enter your email right over here. Then simply go ahead and enter your password right over here. Click on I agree and click on next. They're going to send you a verification code to that email. Simply go ahead and enter that and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.